Hi friends, welcome to the Modern Learning. Today we're going to learn how to write a job application. So let's get started. Let's check out what is a job application. A job application is a formal document or online form that individuals submit to apply for employment with an organization. In this video, we'll learn format of job application. Consider that this is the answer sheet in your exams. So start from the top left corner. Write down your full name first, then your address, that is city, country, and PIN code. Then write down your email address. Then comes your contact number, the date, means the date of application. Then write down the hiring manager's name and then the school name. Note that school where you're applying for. Then school address, and then comes the salutation, like respected sir or madam. Then the details of your information. And at the end, write down regards or sincerely, your name and your signature. So friends, this is the complete format of your job application. Let's check out an example. Now, the possible question that you are asked in your inter exam is, write a job application for the post of an English teacher. So, in order to get 8 out of 8, let's check out the example. So, first of all, you're supposed to write down your name, like Kabir Manoj, then your address, Kabir Manoj, PM Road, Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Then comes your email address, kabir123@gmail.com, and then your contact number, then the date of application, then the hiring manager name, the school name, and the school address. Note that all these contact numbers and the addresses must be imaginary in your exams. Then the salutation. Respected sir or madam, I'm writing to express my interest in the position for English teacher at Shining Star School. With a bachelor's degree in English and a passion for education, I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute to the academic and personal growth of young learners. Throughout my academic and volunteer experiences, I've developed strong communication skills and a deep understanding of literature and language. I'm dedicated to creating a supportive and inclusive classroom environment where every student feels valued and empowered to succeed. I'm particularly drawn to your institute because of its commitment to holistic education. I'm eager to collaborate with colleagues, parents, and students to create a positive and enriching learning environment. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the opportunity to discuss how my skills and experiences align with the needs of Shining Stars School. Please find my resume attached for further details. Sincerely, your name and your signature. So friends, let's check out the complete format once again. This is how your format should look like before your example. And after you write down the example, this is how your job application looks like. So friends, today we've learned the format and example of job application. If you like the video, just give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. See ya!